Howdy folks from Calgary, Alberta. This is Adrian with my first ever chess video. It's an endgame study made in two. White to move. White is playing up the board, composed by G.J.Slater in the year 1886. Now that you perhaps pause the video to find the solution yourself, I will offer it a solution myself by moving to the bishop to g7. Black has several moves now. Either move the pawn to h5 or the king moves to three other spots available. So let's start with the pawn at h5. Bishop at d3, checkmate. Let's now have king at h7. Knight at f8, checkmate. If the king, however, moves to h5, queen at f7, checkmate. And finally, the last option for the black is to move its king to f5. In this case, queen to b2, sorry, checkmate. b1, checkmate. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment. Cheers.